Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix Twitter not loading tweets problem. Like, this solution could be same for anything like iPhone, Android. Alright, so listen to me carefully, Android and iPhone users. It's similarly like you guys have to solve this problem in a similar way, okay? I mean, it's same for both devices in a short form. So yeah, before I show you the way, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can comment down below. We'll answer you guys. And yeah, watch this video full until the end without skipping, because if you skip, then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do it. So yeah, let's start the video. Now the first thing is, this problem could be caused by your slow internet connection. So if you guys are connected to a Wi-Fi, then connect to a data cellular connection, because data cellular connection is faster than Wi-Fi. Otherwise, you can also connect to a stable internet connection. Make sure your internet is at least above 5 Mbps per second. So yeah, it could be of a slow internet connection. And if you still have this problem even after you're connected to a stable internet connection, then it could also be because of like Twitter server being down. Like, Twitter server goes down from time to time because of due to maintenance break and other stuff. They're basically repairing their server, so they're down. So if their server is down, then we can't do anything. We just basically have to wait until the servers are online again. So it could also be the problem. And to check if the servers are down, you can ask your friend to open their Twitter. Like, if their Twitter opens but yours doesn't, then it could be that it's a problem with your device, not the server. Okay, like, if the servers are down, then Twitter will not function properly in other devices as well, not on the yours. So keep that in mind. And the other thing what you can do is check if your Twitter is up to date, because if you're using a really outdated version of Twitter, then it could also be the problem. So just go to your Play Store or App Store and check if your Twitter is up to date. Mine's up to date, since there's an open button instead of update. Make sure you guys have open button over there as well. And the other thing is, if you're using Twitter in browser, then this is not going to work. But if you're using Twitter in iOS or Android, then basically this is going to work. This is the last resolve. Okay, if the internet connection problem didn't happen, if the servers aren't down, and if your Twitter is up to date and it's still not working, then delete Twitter and reinstall it again. That's the last option, and that should fix it. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out, have a nice day, peace.